Hey guys, Mac here. So in this beauty tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to create this one from this to this. So first is open your Lightroom mobile CC and then mag-import ka ng photo na mayroong mga greens, and then click auto enhance and then go to the haze. Click this and increase the haze something around 50 or 50, and then go to profiles here and then go to artistic number 3 here, and that's it. Just boost this to 200 and then click OK, and that's it. You can edit the color on the color section and then mix, and then you can enhance the color reds, orange, and yeah, you can balance other color here, and also lights like exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, etc. So let's try to other image. Okay, here. Wait, reset ko muna. So okay, it's the original photo, and then click again to auto enhance and then the haze. Oh, it's pigment. So this around 50 again, and then go to profiles and click artistic number 3, and that's it. And click OK, and also makikita mo yung kulay blue hindi maganda, so you need to balance it on the color. So blue and then or aqua, something like that, and also the color, the skin tone. Oops, mga tropa ko yan. And done. And that's it. That's the way on how to turn green color into red.
So, kita-kits na lang ulit sa next tutorial. Enjoy guys. Thank you for watching and peace out. Bye-bye.